What is up, YouTube? I'm back with another video. I know it's been a minute, but I'm back. So, have you guys ever attempted a midsole repaint and there was just one spot on the paint that wouldn't come off? So you just scrub a little bit too hard and you ended up accidentally damaging the midsole? Well, today I'm bringing you guys a solution on how to fix your damaged midsoles. So stay tuned and I'm going to show you guys my step-by-step process on how to fix damaged midsoles. Alright, let's get it! As always, you gotta tape up the shoes before prepping them. To remove all the original paint off the midsoles, I'm using cotton balls and Angelus deglazer. Using the leather deglazer rather than the acetone helps minimize the risk of doing even more damage to the midsoles. Even though we lay down some tape, you still want to be cautious of the amount of acetone or deglazer you use on your cotton balls. If they're too soaked, some of the liquid can slide under the tape and get onto the uppers, so just be careful and make sure that the cotton balls are just damp enough and not drenched in your acetone or deglazer. After removing all that old paint, it's time to start filling the damaged midsole with some coat. You can purchase this at your local hardware department such as Home Depot or Lowe's. So after applying it to the midsole, you want to spread it out and try to smoothen it down with either your finger or some very fine sandpaper. During this step, you want to just make sure you only apply a little at a time and just try to spread it around to fill up the holes. You then repeat these steps until you're satisfied with the smoothness of the midsole. This is a very long and annoying process, so just be patient, and I recommend just to put on some Netflix because this may take a while. When I'm finally done applying my caulk, I like to lay down some fresh tape before moving on to the midsole repaint. Since I'm using an airbrush on this restoration, I'm going to cover up the whole shoe with a plastic bag to prevent any paint from getting onto the uppers. You will see that when you think you're done using all the caulk, you're not. 10 out of 10 times I have to reapply some more caulk because I'm not satisfied on how it looks or how it feels after laying down some paint. So again, after you apply more caulk, just make sure to smoothen it back out before you apply more paint. Alright, so after I'm completely done with all my touch-ups and I'm completely satisfied with the smoothness of the midsole and how it looks with the paint, I just finished them up with some Krylon matte finisher.
Alright, so I hope you guys learned something new today. If you guys did, please click that thumbs up button. I'd really appreciate it. I've been asked about a sneaker collection video. If you think you would be interested in something like that, let me know down in the comments. But really, other than that, I just want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all on my next video. Peace.